Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want a powerful browser on your Windows laptop or PC with built-in RAM control, CPU limiter, and a unique gaming-style design, then Opera GX might be exactly what you're looking for. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to download and install Opera GX on your Windows computer the right way. Let's get started. First, open any browser on your Windows PC. You can use Microsoft Edge, Chrome, Firefox, or any browser you already have installed. Now go to the search bar and type Opera GX, then press Enter. Make sure you click on the official website, opera.com/gx. This is very important. Always download software from the official website to avoid fake or harmful files. Once the page loads, you'll see a big button that says Download Opera GX. Click on it. The Opera GX setup file will now start downloading. It will usually download as an .exe file. Wait for the download to complete. Once it's finished, go to your Downloads folder, or click the downloaded file at the bottom of your browser. Now double-click the Opera GX setup file. If you see a user account control message asking, "Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device?" Click Yes. The Opera GX installer window will now appear. Click on Accept and Install. Next, click Accept. The installation process will begin, and this usually takes just a few seconds. Once it's finished, Opera GX will automatically open on your computer, and that's it. Opera GX is now successfully installed on your Windows laptop or PC. You can now customize your theme colors, enable dark mode, control RAM and CPU usage, and explore all the built-in gaming features. And that's how you download and install Opera GX on Windows. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and easy Windows tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.